Hello everyone, it's Monica here and welcome to my channel. Today I'm coming to you with some craft challenge. Actually, it's a challenge. I'm actually taking part in that challenge. It's run by Relatively Thoughtful, and usually when they release a new collection they give two sheets like those from a new collection, and they challenging us to create something with those. So that's the first sheet. You can of course make them bigger or print multiple pages, so you get a A4 sheet with two beautiful pattern papers, and then another A4 sheet with beautiful ephemera pieces which you can cut out. And this one is a new collection called Alice's Tea Party. So Alice in the Wonderland, and if you love Alice, I hope you're going to take part in this challenge. I'm going to include all the information below the video. So the challenge started, I think, on the 1st of June, and it's going to finish on the 25th of June. So what you need to do, you need to print those downloadable free DG papers, create something with those. It can be card, whatever you want. You are free to create something which you like, and it's all up to you. Post your creation in the comments under the post with the challenge. I'm going to link that one below the video so you can upload your beautiful makes. Use the hashtag RTCraftChallenge in your posts and share it on a Relatively Thoughtful Facebook group, which is RT Make, Create and Share. I will try to include all the information below the video so you can check it out. I used quite a few previous collections from Relatively Thoughtful, and for a while I was on a design team, and I just love those designs created by Sally, and I think these are very pretty. So I'm just trying to still support Sally with her beautiful creations, and she's creating all those digital papers, and she has some collections in physical paper, so I encourage you to check out her online shop as well. You can find different brands there if you don't know this brand maybe. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to prepare some elements. I'm going to fussy cut those, and I will be back with my creation. So as you can see, I cut out all the elements and I'm ready to create my card. I also cut out, I realized that you can cut out those beautiful butterflies from that sheet with the pattern paper, and you can cut out flowers, the different butterflies. We've got 1, 2, 3 different ones, and you can use it on your card as well. And for the base, I decided to use this hexagonal die set, nesting die set from Creative Craft Products by Craft Stash. I love this one because it has bigger sizes, so you can create nice card blanks. So what I did, I created myself a card blank, and because my cutting plate from my very first die cutting machine cutter bag, yeah, I hope you can see it, gives this imprint. I didn't want to use it as a back of my card, so I cut another layer and I'm going to adhere it, because you know the plates are very well used, and yes, that's what happens. And I don't think I can get any more of those because they stopped producing cutter bags machines. I've got other die cutting machines. I think I've got quite a few actually, but this one is actually very handy and I love using it. Just trying to see, just trying to position it so it's nice and straight. So that's what I needed to add to my card base. And then the first layer, I thought it's best to use this busy pattern, and then a top layer will be this one. So my elements, let me see, my elements will be more visible on the other pattern paper. So as I said in my intro, I'm going to include all the information below the video so you can check it out. And if you want to join that challenge, I don't even know what's the price, but I love those challenges, and because you get free download downloadable papers, I think it's good to have them. And I actually love Alice, so that's why I thought. And I did another challenge previously with let me see if I can grab it, maybe not. They've got this beautiful collection with London landmarks, so I think I don't know if it's still available, but they had another 2 sheets from that collection and it was so pretty. I created a project with that one as well. So that's my as you can see, I'm putting all the layers flat for now. And now I think I was thinking about using Alice. I wanted to include that teapot and cups, but it's just too much. I think it would look really nice on 5x7 card or DL. But this way, I think with this one, I'm going to use it only Alice. I was thinking to include those tags, but again, I thought that it's just way too much. Those butterflies, I think they will be here. So for now, I need 3D foam pads because I want my Alice to stand out a little bit more. So I need my foam pads, and I hope it will work because this paper is quite thin. It's, I think, 120 GSM. My printer broke down, so I'm using my husband's, and that printer doesn't like thick cards, so I have to, for now, have to use this printer until either I fix mine or I get a new one. I don't know what to do for now, because it happened actually, I think, last month, few weeks ago, a good few weeks ago. Actually, I wasn't crafting that much lately, so that's why I thought when I saw those that challenge and Sally's post, I thought, yeah, let me do it. So my Alice is here, and because of this cut, I just don't like it that much. So actually I could fussy cut. Let me try something. Fussy cut that, and I wanted to add, where is that? And as you can see, I fussy cut a tea party. Maybe I should cut just the teapot, but just don't want to destroy that. Let's see. For now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to cover that cut. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add those flowers. Oh, see, I haven't been recording for a while, so this one, yeah, it's not going that great, but it will be okay. So I'm going to add that flower here, and I think I'm going to, what am I doing? So this one will cover that, and then I think I want something in red. So let me see how am I going to do it. And I wanted to add that tea party. At first I was thinking about using happy birthday or something, but I wanted to use those papers from those downloadables. So yeah, I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm not going to use that. So I'm going to add those flowers. I'm going to add this one completely flat. It's a very quick project for me to get back to recording and creating other things as well. So I think that's fine. And then I might tack another one underneath it. So this one needs a little bit of foam pads. Just trying to see if I'm actually in shot or not. So I hope you had a good days, a good weekend. We've been actually away. We went away for 5 days, and we traveled to so many places, and we did actually the highest mountain in England, and that was actually very challenging. I thought I will not be able to reach the top, but we did it. And yes, my legs are still hurting, but it was okay. I had a little fall as well, which was hilarious in first few seconds, and then I was like, oh no, I just didn't want to look. I've got a little scratch, but yeah, it's all worth it. The view from the top was just beautiful. I'm going to put the name of that mountain on the top, because I'm sure I will mispronounce that one for sure. Anyway, I think this one is going quite well, so I think I'm going to put this one like so. Let me put those butterflies, because I want to add some glitter glue in the center, so you can see, have a little bit of a sparkle. That's what I like to do with my butterflies. So this one is here, and I'm so happy I spotted them in that scrap piece of pattern paper. This one goes here. Just a little bit of glue. And then I can add the glitter glue in the center because I did some tidying up on my desk. Yes, I have it. And I put different things in different drawers, and now I have to remember where I put other different things. So that's nice. So that's done, and now that's Sentiment tea party. Yeah, because she's having her tea. I want her hand to be more visible, maybe. Oh no, let me just do it. Just go for it, and yes. So I hope you like those papers, and check out the links I'm going to include below the video, so you can see the challenge. Go over to Relatively Thoughtful online shop to see, maybe you will discover something nice. And I do recommend to check out other. I'm going to do it like this, offset a little bit, put it a little bit at the angle. Let me see if I like it. I like it. Yes, I like it. Let me raise those. I think it needs to dry first. Oh yeah, that's good. Yeah, I love those butterflies. So the other elements I'm going to leave for next project, and I'm just thinking, should I add some gems? Maybe I should add some gems. Should I add another flower? It's just maybe too much. This one is actually quite big. Let me look for the camera. Do I like it? I do, but maybe I just... What I'm going to do, I'm going to cut a little bit, and I'm going to use it actually. Lots of flowers, why not? Yeah, I like it. So this is my project for Alice's Tea Party Challenge, with Relatively Thoughtful free papers, which you can get on the website. So let me know, what do you think about this card? Do you think I should add some gems somewhere, or you think that's more than enough? So thank you so much for watching. Let me know, what do you think about this project, and overall, what do you think about those papers? So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video very soon. Bye for now.